Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Salesforce MCP servers with Cloud Code. So let's get started. Here I am in my Salesforce developer org. For the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to create a client connected app. For that I'm going into the setup. So it's coming up. Let's setup get loaded. Here I search for external client connected on external client app manager. Click on new external client app. You can name it whatever you want. I put Claude demo. I'm gonna put my email, or we're gonna enable OAuth. And for the callback URL, I have it here. I will put this into the comments for your reference so that you guys can use it. For the scope, you technically only need two scope. One is perform requests at any time, and the other one is the MCP servers. Nothing, keep default as is. You have to uncheck these two under the security. Check this, and you are as using that we are using proof key for code exchange. That's it, and then you're gonna say create. Right. Okay. So once the app is connected app is created, we need client secret and client ID. For that, go into the settings under the OAuth, click on the consumer key, prompt you for the, we have to go to our email. Go to my email. I hope that I have a new one. Okay, I got a new one. I put it here. And we get the kind of. One thing I would like to identify so that you guys do not have any issues. So once you, since as I mentioned, we use proof code of key uh, under our security. For that, go to OAuth, search for OAuth under the settings. And my system is kind of a little slow, sorry for that. So you search for sorry, OAuth, and then under OAuth, once you get it, you get OpenID Connect. Make sure that this setting is on. Required proof key code. This setting is on. If it's not on, then the integration won't work. So now, once we have all this set up, we are technically all done at the Salesforce level. So now we can go into the instance of our cloud code. So I am here under my cloud. You may need to create an account. Once you are logged in to cloud code, go to your profile, click on settings. Under settings, you'll see connectors. And then I already have one. I can delete that and we can recreate it just for the sake of uh, video. So I'm gonna remove this. So this way we can remove it. So here, once you are here, you may see some. If you have been connecting other thing, you may see more connection. But for now, you go to add. You have a custom connector. Here again, you can put any name you need. Salesforce integration. For MCP URL, server URL, as we know that Salesforce has many MCP servers, and we need to tell Cloud which MCP server we are looking to get integration done. So to get this URL, we need to go back to our Salesforce instance. Under the setup, we search for MCP. Under the API catalog, you click on MCP servers. Here you're gonna see a lot of MCP servers. By default, these MCP servers are inactive. If you are willing to use something else, you need to activate it. How to get the URL? So you click on that whichever you desire to use. You click on that MCP server. As soon as the MCP server page going to load, let's see. Things loading. It's taking some time. I think probably my having issue with my internet or Salesforce is getting a little slower. So let's see the page loaded. Okay, it's loading now. Okay, now the page loaded, you see you have a button here. It said activate. Click on activate, and then you scroll down on the thing, you will see server URL. You have to select that URL. I'm going to select this URL. Let's see. Okay, and then going back to Cloud Code, search for put this URL. Now we have client key, client ID, and client secret, and we have client secret. All right. As soon as I add, all right. Since I had, I think I did previously had it Salesforce integration, so I think the cache remains there. But once you do for the first time, it's not going to look like this. It's going to look like once I disconnect, it's going to look like this. Since I've been working on it, so it kept the session, so it connected with that session. So, but when you are going to do this, it will look like this. So connect. You could click on the connect. It will ask you the where you have set it up your MCP server and client code and client key and client secret. So ask you for the allow. Once you Cloud Code does verify that, authenticate that. So now we are connected. If you click on this plus sign, sorry, click on this plus sign, and under connectors, you see is enabled. So it means that right now, whatever conversation you're gonna put, it's gonna call MCP server. Through the MCP server, we're gonna get data from Salesforce. So let's pick up some scenario. Let's say if I want to see all list all accounts from my org. So let's see if it does. You see, I says org. I did not mention anything else. So because of that integration, its connection, it should pull accounts from my org that I am currently connected to. So let's see. So it's a 13 accounts. If I come here and go to my accounts and say all accounts. So we do have 13 accounts. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, let's pick another scenario. Let's Edge Communications. Let's click on Edge Communications, see how many opportunities we have. So we have 4 opportunities. Let's see if we ask Cloud Code list all the, it's not giving me, list all the opportunities of For some reason, something is list all opportunities of the account as communications. Let's see. Let's see how many communi- opportunities you get. Four opportunities. So this is good. Okay. You see, all like matching up. Okay. So these were kind of pulling kind of a select kind of a scenario. Let's see if we can make some other DML operation like updates. Let's say if I want to update opportunities, uh, update opportunities by the name as MS. Let's see if it remember the context. Update opportunities by the name to closed warm stage. Let's see what it does. All right. Okay. So there are two opportunities saying there are two opportunities. I'll update both to close warm. Okay. It's thinking. It's thinking. Okay. It says both opportunities have been. All right. Okay. Let's see. Right now we refresh. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. So now let's take another scenario. I have that listed here. A little bigger. So let me pull this. All right. So I'm now creating case. So let's see how many cases we have under this account. So we have how many cases? Let's see. We have three cases. So we did the select, we did the update. Now we're going to do the create. Let's see if it's creating. Make sure that we have all the information proper. Okay, we click on this. Okay, let's see. Creating record. Amazing. All right. Okay, so now let's see. Nice. You see how it's created. So you see like the power of MCP server, the combination of Claude and this old AI scenarios. Um, so this way you really don't need to go into Salesforce and perform action. You can use words conversation with Claude, and you can do your wonders here. So I hope that you like this video, this tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel so you if I am going to record more such kind of tutorials so that you can get benefit of it, and please like this video too. um, Until then, now thank you very much.